So as we look at this section is extremely easy if we go back. Now, it was easy enough to say that y equals 3 is the asymptote for the exponential, and so that means x equals 3 will be the asymptote for the others. But going through this problem, we can kind of see here that there's a vertical asymptote, and that's connected to the x value. And when we have an h value attached to x in this previous problem, that affected the asymptote. That was sort of the explanation as to why this basically matched that when you switch x and y. So when we look at 16 through 20, I don't want to take too much time to kind of dig into this. I just want to point out that hopefully this is an obvious thing. Focus your attention there, okay? When you have a log of the argument, stuff in the parentheses is the argument. Remember, the base down here is 10. The log of whatever the argument is going to explain your asymptote. When we look at the exponential, we focus our attention here. That gave us our asymptote. Y equals k. Well, here, if I give you a new rule here, x equals h. Notice h is positive. That's because x minus h equals 0 is essentially what we're doing. Set the argument equal to 0, move the h over, so x equals h is the equation of the asymptote. That means here, your asymptote is going to be x equals 3. You're changing the sign, setting it equal, and that's your deal. Okay, that's going to work with all of them. I'll give you one more hint. Asymptote of this one here, there's nothing inside the parentheses. X equals 0 is going to be your asymptote. Okay? And I'll give you a hint. This one here is going to be x equals, it's going to be negative. Make me proud, people.